Now, if I move forward and want to explore more about the SSL certificates, so the next phase is the network area. So when we talk about the networking side, so we use a technology for the purpose of security, authentication, authorization, accounting, and that technology is known as VPN, virtual private network. We know that we have our head office, we have number of branches. So whenever we try to connect our branch offices with our head office, so for that purpose we create site to site VPN. And when I explore the VPN technologies, so inside those VPN technologies I found IPsec, and inside the IPsec again I can see the important role of SSL technologies. So SSL is not only limited with the web services, applications, protocols, operating system, but it play a very crucial and important role whenever we try to implement any kind of firewalls, routers, load balancers, and lots of other stuff which is related with the security. And if you want to talk more about the SSL security features, so the next area is remote SSL VPN. So you can also see on your screen whenever we try to establish any kind of remote SSL connectivity via Sophos, Palo Alto, Fortinet, or any other industry oriented firewall. So in those sessions where we deploy the remote SSL connectivities, so inside those configurations we also find all protocols regarding the encryption, regarding the integrity, and regarding the authentication. So again we require SSL. So whenever you are going to explore the SSL certificates, so you need to understand the basic architecture, basic services, operating systems, applications, protocols where you deploy SSL certificates. Because whenever you join the IT industry, so the scope of the implementation will be very clear, and you will be really focused where you need to implement the SSL certificates inside your on-prem data center and the cloud side as well. So these are the major areas. More other services, more protocols, and more applications available where we utilize customized options regarding the SSL. Now the second and important criteria which you need to understand about the SSL certificates. So most of the time, as I said earlier, we consider that SSL only used for the purpose of encryption. Because whenever we try to send data from source to destination, so we need to protect that data, and for that purpose we need encryption. But there are two other major features which available with this SSL technology. The first one is encryption, and everyone knows that these certificates provide encryption for all kinds of communication. But there are two major parameters which is missing. The second one is integrity, which means that these protocols going to protect our data in a manner where hacker cannot change our data over the LAN and over the WAN as well. So integrity means your data will be same from source to destination. There is no interception allowed with the help of integrity. And the third and the most important parameter regarding the SSL certificate is authentication. We know that whenever a client machine are going to talk with a server machine, so for that purpose we need authentication tickets, on behalf of which we can consider who is going to connect, and we can easily identify our end devices and server machines as well. So whenever you are going to understand about the SSL certificates, so you need to understand the architecture, then why you need to deploy the SSL certificates, and then what are the services, what are the applications, what are the protocols where you need to deploy SSL. And the last and the most important feature, what are the functionalities which embedded with SSL. So we understand that encryption, integrity, and authentication. I hope that you learn more about the SSL certificates. Before this session, most of the time our audience and the new joinees inside the tech world, considering that the SSL certificates are only used for the purpose of web security, but it's not true. You can utilize this technology everywhere whenever you need authentication, encryption, and integrity. And if you have any suggestions, and if you have any questions, queries, you need to connect us via email and in the comment section as well. Thank you very much.